My name is Tom Ruscio. I'm the principal here at Bushwick Middle School in Belchertown, Massachusetts. So we had a great presentation. Kids were excited. We got to hear a lot of positive messaging in a way I think the kids listened to with the quizzes and the interactions. So we had a great time with this presentation. So I think there very much was the tactic to try and engage the kids and get them involved and participate in the events, which helps a lot for the kids because time and attention can be a struggle sometimes, but kids were able to maintain focus that way. So it was good. I think it's a great thing. I think there's no downside to having this presentation with the kids, only positive impacts. What would I say? I say, how many times do you think a kid's absent for school because of other things that are just about academics? And then we have to kind of recognize the big picture and how to support kids in schools. I think what would happen or what might help is if the community saw what the schools were doing to better understand how the messaging supports kids so that they know not just what's being said, but how it's being said. I can fake it pretty well. It is. It's a common thing. It's kind of our turn in that sense. We've had cuts and we had cuts here. So it's already been tough. And I mean, I've been doing it a long time. It's just the ebb and flow of public school and public service. In fact, I started 30 years ago and I got the job because of the recovery plan of the cuts the schools were having. And it's actually Chris Vino, the principal at the high school. She and I both worked in this building when this was Belchertown High School. She was hired a year before me and she was the first new employee in Belchertown in like over 12 years because of cuts and constant cuts and lacks of funding. And then I was the second one the year after her, and that was over 30 years ago. So we're dinosaurs in education. We pretty much have seen it all, and we've seen the ebb and flow and the cyclical pattern of education, especially the last couple of years. Yeah. So this isn't just a Belchertown thing. It's everywhere in a sense.